Hello, painting peeps, and welcome. It's Kathleen from Creations. Welcome to the No Bra Zone number 3, guys, here in Asheville. I'm excited to have my voice back. I'm excited to be home and get a couple of good days of sleep, but I've really wanted to paint. So Rick's upstairs relaxing. He's still recovering from our wonderful, wonderful journey to Vegas, to the amazing event, PourCon. I can't tell you what it means to me to have y'all join us there. You put a stamp on the things that we love and we do each and every day, and I am very, very grateful for that. Grateful to put some faces to the names that have been following me along my painting journey. Grateful to have been part of your painting journey. Thank you, PourCon. Amazing experience and wonderful memories will last me a lifetime. Reuse canvas. This is a 16 by 20, I believe. I love this pour, but it dried way too dark for me, and there's not a single goober on it, no raised areas, so I'm going to pour over it. And I've got some yummy, yummy colors over here. Let's talk about a pouring medium today. I am out of GAC 800 and I'm out of Liquitex. Our pouring medium today is Floetrol and water. And every single paint, I was just kind of scurrying around here in my little studio space, and I found this bottle of Vallejo gloss fluid medium. So every single one of my paints got Floetrol, water, and a big healthy squirt, probably about a tablespoon of the Vallejo fluid medium. And I'll tell you what, guys, it glossed up my paintings beautifully. So those of you who are into the shiny, shiny shine might be a nice little additive for you. Our paints are yummy. In this cup right here, we have golden fluids in the carbon black. This cup right here is DecoArt Satin Enamel in the neutral beige. This neutral beige plays wonderful with black. It tends to get some really, really wonderful effects. This right here, I was out of my Josania gloss varnish as well. Let's take a look at that. That is probably my most favorite piggy. That's this little piggy in Mango. And because I was out of Josania gloss varnish, I said, what the heck? I went ahead and dispersed it first with the Vallejo gloss fluid medium, and then I added my Floetrol to it. No water was needed because I need my paints to be a little bit thick, because I'm doing a ring pour, landscape pour. This is a yummy color right here. This is golden fluids in the iridescent gold fine. And then this right here is golden fluids in the iridescent gold fine. And I richened it up by adding some Arteza Aztec gold to it. Very, very nice shade of gold. This right here, gosh, I can't remember. It's a leftover paint. I think that it is a little bit of DecoArt Rich Espresso, as well as some golden fluids in the raw umber. It just made a beautiful, beautiful chocolatey brown. This right here, soon to be already discontinued, soon to not be had ever again. Golden fluids, the Q word, in the nickel azo gold. So I've got a little bit of a base coat color here. This is actually thinner than my pour paints that I have over here. I'm actually going to add a little bit more water to it. That is a combination of Artist Loft Soft Body in the black, as well as some golden fluids in the carbon black. So what else do I have to tell you about? Oh, there's a pesky fly flying around. So if you see me doing this, you will know why. He just won't leave me alone. I'm going to go ahead and put some music on for you, put some music in my ear for me, and we're going to do a little fun landscape pour, guys. I'm glad you're here. Let's get busy.
Days of romantic prose and lilac wine. Nights out under the sky, watching stars align. Days of making sweet honey, Melissa. As warm as your breath on my chest, so calm. Now, baby, let the summer breeze carry us away. Let the summer breeze carry us away. To so good to see you. We do this every day, and I'm still so amazed by you. So hold me tight through the night. It's just us two, me and you. Oh, oh, I can't believe you love me. Oh, oh, I just feel so lucky. Oh, oh, still can't believe you love me. I hope it never ends, us being more than friends, yeah. You know I'm here to stay every single day, yeah. So hold me tight through the night. It's just us two, me and you. Oh, oh, I can't believe you love me. Oh, oh, I just feel so lucky. Oh, oh, still can't believe you love me. Falling into your arms, dancing up in the stars. Oh, where I'd rather be than with you. Oh, oh, I can't believe you love me. Oh, oh, I just feel so lucky. Oh, oh, still can't believe you love me. Oh, oh, I can't believe you love me. Oh, oh, I just feel so lucky. Oh, still can't believe you love me. Days of romantic prose and lilac wine. Nights out under the sky, watching stars align. Days of making sweet honey, Melissa lemon balm. Nights as warm as your breath on my chest, so calm.